What's up, stars? Coach Vega here. So for today's skill lesson, we're going to be going over the flying disc, or as some of you may know it as frisbee. So a couple items that you're going to need. You're either going to need a pot holder, or whatever this is called. So I think it's called a pot holder. Or you will need a card with an envelope over it. So an envelope with a card in it, birthday card, you could use some mail, whatever you have. Or you can use a piece of cardboard like I'm doing. So I'm gonna use this piece of cardboard, and now I'm gonna show you all how we're supposed to grip our flying disc. So you're gonna hold up your dominant hand up. So I'm right-handed, so I'm using my right hand. Next, you're gonna bring your pinky and the finger next to your pinky down, all right? Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna bring our hand, thumb goes over our disc, so it goes on top of our disc. Our middle finger goes on the bottom of our disc. And lastly, our index finger goes on the side of our disc, all right? So the index finger goes on the side, middle finger on the bottom, and thumb on top. All right, so now I'm gonna show you all how we're supposed to throw our flying disc. So first thing we gotta do is we gotta get our non-dominant side. So if I'm right-handed, my left side of my body is gonna go to the back of me, and my right side is facing my target. So my right side, my dominant side is facing my target. And next, my feet are shoulder width apart. My knees are slightly bent. Now we're gonna get into our grip. So remember, our 3 fingers up, middle finger on the bottom, index finger in the front of it, so on the side of it. Now our thumb goes on top. So we have our arm out. You're gonna bend your elbow. And next, you're gonna bring it to your opposite armpit. So I'm bringing my disc to my left armpit, okay? So you want to your left armpit. And now with the motion that we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be just unextending our elbow to our target. So my target is the camera, so my elbow is extending and I'm flicking my wrist, okay? So doing a flick motion. So I'm in my stance. My finger placement is all right. So I'm gonna bring my disc to my opposite elbow, and I'm gonna be aiming my disc towards the camera, all right? So I'm flicking my wrist. Ready? All right, class, so y'all saw me hit my camera. I had pretty good aim because I followed through towards my target. So you always have to follow through towards your target. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we are going to be aiming at either our door, we're gonna be aiming at our couch or our bed, okay? So either your door, couch, or bed. And we're gonna see how many times we can hit our target. Just make sure you're either using a cardboard box, that envelope, or the pot holder, okay? And we're gonna be aiming at our door, couch, or bed, all right? So that's what our activity is gonna be today. We're gonna ask you all how many times you hit your target, and then we're gonna give you a smaller target like a pillow later on, okay? So we'll see y'all right now.